What does blocked mean on Vagaro? This is a question that many people have been asking lately, and I'm here to answer it. But before I do, let's talk about what Vagaro is. Vagaro is a scheduling and booking software for beauty and wellness professionals. It's a great tool for managing your appointments, clients, and finances. But what does it mean when a client is blocked on Vagaro? What does blocked mean on Vagaro? When a client is blocked on Vagaro, it means that they are not allowed to book appointments or make payments through your Vagaro account. There are a few reasons why a client might be blocked on Vagaro. They have an outstanding balance. If a client has an outstanding balance on their account, they will be blocked from booking new appointments until the balance is paid in full. They have violated your terms of service. If a client has violated your terms of service, they may be blocked from your account. This could include things like making abusive comments, spamming your account, or making fraudulent appointments. You have blocked them. You can block a client from your account for any reason. This is a good option if you don't want to work with a particular client anymore. How to unblock a client on Vagaro. If you want to unblock a client on Vagaro, you can do so by following these steps. Log in to your Vagaro account. Click on the Settings tab. Click on the Clients tab. Find the client that you want to unblock. Click on the Edit button. Uncheck the Blocked checkbox. Click on the Save button. How to prevent clients from being blocked on Vagaro. There are a few things that you can do to prevent clients from being blocked on Vagaro. Make sure that your terms of service are clear and concise. Your terms of service should outline the rules and expectations for using your Vagaro account. Communicate with your clients regularly. Let your clients know about any upcoming changes or promotions. This will help to prevent them from making fraudulent appointments. Monitor your account for suspicious activity. If you see any suspicious activity on your account, be sure to investigate it immediately. I hope this blog post has helped you to understand what blocked means on Vagaro. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional tips.